everyone, how are you today? Today we're going to be learning about farm animals. Are you ready for today's lesson? Let's start. What's this? It's a cow. Moo. Listen and repeat. Cow. What's this? It's a horse. Eee. Listen and repeat. Horse. What's this? It's a pig. Oink, oink, oink. Listen and repeat. Pig. Do you know what this is? It's a sheep. Bay. Listen and repeat. Sheep. Do you know what is this? This is a cat. Meow, meow. Listen and repeat. Cat. Oh, look at this cute animal. What is this? It's a dog. Wow, wow, wow. Listen and repeat. Dog. Look at this. It's a rooster. Kikiriki. Listen and repeat. Rooster. They are the words that I need that you practice about farm animals. And remember to listen to the song Old MacDonald's Had a Farm. Please listen to the song, practice it, and we will sing it in the next lesson. So that's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed this beautiful lesson and see you later. Bye bye.